Just by recording your phone screen, you can already earn $30,000 per month. And in this video, I will share the steps to seize that opportunity. So, don't skip this video because I will explain it step by step, from channel references to tips and tricks, and even the process of creating the video. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you won't miss the latest updates from Tips by Tyaz's channel. This is perfect for a relaxing ASMR channel. This channel already has 200,000 subscribers with 107 videos. The content is, as the name suggests, ASMR, but the difference is, here you don't need any investment. You only need to record your screen to create such videos. Normally, for ASMR, you would need expensive microphones and other materials to make the videos, but here, just recording the screen is enough. And as you can see, the results are truly remarkable. In just the past 2 months, it has already gained over 4 million views. Imagine how much AdSense revenue we can earn if we succeed with a channel like this. Let's take a look at when this channel joined. It turns out it joined on July 21st, 2022. That means it has only been around 10 months, and it has already gained that many subscribers. And the total views can reach 60 million. It's incredible. We can replicate the concept for channels like this because the creation process is really simple. Just download the game and record the screen. I will let you know which games are suitable. So, for those of you who want to create content like this, it's perfect, especially if you don't want to show your face on the screen or speak. We just record and edit with our own creativity. Now let's take a look at one of the videos. Because this content is related to facial health, I don't know if it falls under health content or game content, but I think it leans more towards health or beauty niche. So, the concept is about taking care of someone's face or body part to make it better. And it's provided in the game. Alright, let's see how much the monthly earnings are. Here I am on the Social Blade website. You know, Social Blade is a site where we can see the analytics of other channels. And here I am on the ASMR channel we reviewed earlier. Next, we'll look at the estimated monthly earnings. Here it shows $2,000 to $33,000. That's a lot in my opinion, even though it's the lowest amount. And if we look at the viewership analytics, it can reach 600,000 views per day, even up to 1 million views per day. Okay, next let's go straight to the method and tutorial. To create videos like the ASMR makeover like this, you can simply download the game called ASMR Makeover. There are several similar games on the Play Store, but I suggest you download the one at the top, which is Beauty Makeover Makeup ASMR. I've also downloaded it because I'll demonstrate it to you later. The reason why I recommend this one is that you can see the high rating, 4.7 stars, and you can also see that it's similar to the relaxing ASMR channel we discussed earlier. We can transform a damaged face into a beautiful one.
I'll help you.
I want to be a mermaid.
Okay, let me help you.
As for its downsides, as usual, games like this have ads. But you can turn off your data while playing them.
Awesome!
However, for those of you who may not like or disagree with this game, you can use other games. For example, in the right section, there's another similar ASMR games. It's a bit more complex here because video in that channel was horizontal, but this one is vertical so you have record and edit. So, The two apps you need to prepare are the game itself and phone recorder. Then, you can start creating. Here, I'm already in the game. You can open it if you've downloaded it and want to create something like this. Just play the game and record it using your smartphone. Our mission is with ugly faces we can transform into beautiful ones. But, as I mentioned earlier, there are many ads in this game, so you need to be patient while using it. That's how you create videos like this without speak or make any sounds. Just record the screen and play the game. Since it's an ASMR game, the focus is on the sound effects, not the narration. Alright, I think that's enough for the explanation in this video. I hope what I've explained can be understood by you. If you're still unclear, feel free to replay the video. If you enjoy videos like this, you can click the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on important updates about making money online. If there's anything unclear, feel free to ask in the comments section. See you in the next video.